How to create an email account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click this email account's icon. This is the interface where you can create new email accounts and manage the existing ones. Click Create Account button. Type in the username and password of the new email account in the text input boxes provided. You can set a size limit for this email account by entering the size in MB. You can also check this box and set the limit up to the maximum available space. You can also set a limit on sending emails. By default, the limit is 200 emails. Once ready, click Create Account button. Success! We have set up the email account. Now copy and save the password. We will require it while login into our new email account. Here it shows the new email account we just created. Thank you for watching.